We all know that tyres don't last forever. Wear, however, is there doing its best every time the tyre rotates. But how does wear work? Think of your eraser. The more you rub it and the faster it wears. This shows the fundamental and obvious law that sliding and rubbing equals wear. As they wear down, tyres endure friction. This can only result from contact with the road, QED. Yet you might say that rubber blocks alternating in the contact area behave like the parts of a bulldozer's track and therefore do not slide on the road. Quite true. But when leaving the contact area, each block element is gradually released of its crushing weight. Owing to its elastic properties, it then recovers its initial shape. It then slips for a tiny fraction of a second. This slight friction is enough to generate wear. But note that this explains wear for a tyre which is not subject to any stress, such as a freewheeling tyre on a straight line. If in fact the tyre is subject to stress, such as during acceleration, braking or cornering, wear is amplified. And, as you can see, under stress the blocks bend more and more. So, as expected, when the stress can no longer be offset by bending, blocks slip on the ground. And when slipping, they wear down. This slippage of a millimetre or so can seem tiny, but note that this happens over some 25 million rotations on a tyre travelling 50,000 kilometres. We are talking about an average lifespan, which will depend on many factors that impact wear performance. Weather conditions also play a key role. For example, tyre wear will increase in cold weather than dry roads which adhere more. Generally speaking, the nature of road surface obviously plays a key role in wear performance. Multiple vehicle-related criteria should also be taken into account, such as power, weight and so on. Wheel alignment also has a strong impact. Note that drive wheel tyres, being subject to greater pulling force, will wear faster. Similarly, in identical conditions, smaller diameter tyres will wear faster as they rotate more to cover the same distance. Driving conditions play a key role. A winding mountain road will generate more wear than a straight and flat road while travelling at steady speed. Driving style is another key factor. Wear rate can vary from factors 1 to 10 between normal and aggressive driving. Finally, the tyre quality and maintenance are the key to its lifespan. Note that poor inflation is a cause of quick wear. More generally, tread wear resistance depends directly on its composition. Reinforcing agents like carbon black and silica are mixed into the compound. Without those, tyres would only last a few hundred miles. Also, wear resistance depends on tyre shape and architecture, as well as rubber block design. Michelin's research on material, the architecture and tread pattern yields remarkable results in terms of tyre life. Modern Michelin passenger car tyres will last 15 to 20% longer than average tyres, or even 40% for truck tyres. This clearly is a better way to move forward. Michelin offers its customers longer lasting tyres that are therefore optimizing the use of raw materials. Making longer lasting tyres is also another way of caring for the environment. Michelin, a better way forward.